Binance Futures referral code. Simply use the referral code DEAL, DEAL, and you'll get the best Binance referral code to get the best bonuses and the best head start with Binance Futures. Again, make sure to use the referral code DEAL. That's all you need to do, and you'll get the best Binance Futures referral code, and that's how you find the best Binance Futures referral code available. Simply use the referral code DEAL. That's all you need to do. And if you haven't already signed up for a Binance account already, and you're looking to sign up for a brand new account, and you're a new user, you can actually go ahead and click the top link down below to this page, and you can get up to 600 USDT trading free credit, which is absolutely amazing just for sign up through the link down below. So first and foremost, you can go ahead and do that. Once you go ahead and do that, you can go inside of your Binance account into the futures area, and then there'll be a prompt where you can essentially, put in a referral code, and make sure to put in the referral code in the futures area, DEAL. Again, DEAL. This is going to be the Binance Futures referral code DEAL. So you get Binance Futures referral code that you can use and apply to your account to get maximum benefits and a lot of cool bonuses that come with it. So that's the best Binance Futures referral code. Simply use the Binance referral code for futures, which is going to be DEAL, DEAL, and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching today's Binance Futures referral code video.